Hey, hello guys, welcome to my another video. Today in this video I am going to unbox Bolt Audio Escape new neckbands, which is available at just $999. This earphones or headphones, whatever it is, this is a Bluetooth neckband, which means it is operated via Bluetooth, and it is just released 2 days ago. So this is the package I received. It was very simple as usual. I already unboxed many Bluetooth earphones and even Bolt products. You can check in my playlist. So let us unwrap this plastic and we will see what's inside the box content. So this is the box itself. In the box we have Vicky Kaushal actor, and for your information, Vicky Kaushal and Kriti Sanon are the brand ambassador of this Bolt Audio. So in the box we got originality or warranty card and one user manual, few earbuds for different sizes. As you can see, this is the original warranty card. Previously, when I opened an Bolt Audio earphone, we got just a visiting card like thing, but this time we have that embedded logo. So yeah, they are improving day by day, and they are also including a Type-C USB charging cable, which is a very great thing. They are moving towards Type-C and it is the future. So this is the product itself. As soon as I took out the product from the box, it was very soft and it feels like velvet. Here they are branding Bolt Audio. This is the right side, and in the left part of the neckband side we have controls and even the charging slot. The controls, we have 3 buttons. The middle one is for pause, play, and even turning on and off. Like same, the left is for volume down and previous track, and vice versa, the right side of the button is for volume up and the next track. So the earbuds are of very high quality, I would say. Both are magnetically connected to each other when we are not using, and the great part is when we are magnetically connect those thing and it actually pauses the whatever we are playing. It is a very great thing. And also I want to let you know that this neckband is water or splash proof, and it is very flexible, so you can carry around your pocket very easily. So connecting to a device, it is very easy step. Just we have to turn on the Bluetooth in the device. Next, long pressing the center button, the pop-up will occur or notification lights will be glowing. I will show you. As soon as the notification light appears, within few seconds our mobile will discover the Bluetooth, and yeah, this is the name of that Bolt Audio Escape. We have to just click on it and it will ask for pairing. Once we paired, that's all, it can operate normally. The unique thing in this is the Bluetooth can connect to 2 devices like MIUI, and only some of the unique brands and new brands are promoting these kinds of connectivity options. So yeah, even Bolt Audio Escape, this one is also providing 2 Bluetooth device connectivity, which is a very great thing. Thumbs up for that. I will just show you the sample. When I press the buttons, simultaneously it will act according to its orders. So yeah, I will talk about some of the pros and cons here. So the sound quality, I have used it for 1 day and above. The sound quality, I would say 8 out of 10. Then the comfort level is 9 out of 10, because as I said, the band is very much soft and it is velvety. It has no issues in our neck. then the bass is somewhat okay. I would not recommend for it for a complete bass product, but the bass is very much okay. Then it has a unique feature of a type C charging slot and two Bluetooth connectivity, which is a great thing. The battery around, it comes around 9 to 6 hours, I would say, even above 9 hours. It is completely depends on the volume we keep. So that's it in this video, guys. If you like this, please subscribe to the channel and even like this channel, and please share this content. And if you have any queries and suggestions, feel free to comment down below. Thank you.